Hi guys, how's everybody doing? So today I'd like to discuss with you an important aspect of our product, Hydrobox H2O, which is recycling. Okay, so let's do the comparison between Hydrobox and your run-of-the-mill plastic water bottle or PET bottle. Yes, PET bottles can be recycled, but here are the numbers. 70% of plastic water bottles go straight to landfill, which means they go straight to trash, which means they go straight to the stomachs of land animals and water animals when we dump them in these landfills or we dump them in the water. The rest of the 30% is actually what you think would get recycled, but no, they don't. I'd say about 10% of that 30% is actually what gets not recycled but downcycled. Okay, so what does that mean? The components of the plastic water bottle don't necessarily become another water bottle. So the components of that actually get used for other products like carpeting, fabric, so on and so forth. So but why? You have to remember that plastic water bottles are made from non-renewable crude oil. It's like a really cheap material that's like literally bad for the environment. It has such a large carbon footprint that the numbers alone should make you stop drinking plastic water bottles. Okay, so the second reason is you have to the product has to be extremely clean. Plastic water bottles have to be cleaned so thoroughly before they can even be considered for recycling. Number 3, going back to the crude oil thing, it's the structure. The structure of a plastic water bottle almost doesn't allow it to be made into another plastic water bottle. So that's why it's downcycling. Basic, not recycling. Okay? So back to Hydrobox H2O. Hydrobox H2O, like I said, is a paper made from Tetra Pak. Now, this paper is 75% carton, which means it can be recycled into other paper products. Notebooks, sheets of paper, boxes, so on and so forth. The remaining 25% is polyethylene and aluminum, which is actually made into boards. What do I mean by boards? Boards that replace basically construction boards, plywood. It's an amazing thing. You should check it out. We'll send links to you so you can actually see that product being made. Now, remember last week I was telling you guys about the important partners to Hydrobox. So we'd like to introduce you a new partner. They're called Rural Industrial Corporation. They're basically a paper mill and a recycling plant that exists in Manila, believe it or not. So they basically take Hydrobox, this product, they take it apart, and they do what exactly I just told you. They get the 75% carton, recycle it to other paper products, and they make boards out of the rest. So we'll be posting a video of the company on our YouTube channel so you get a better understanding. Also, so you know we're not bullshitting you and that they exist. They're not imaginary like Mr. Snuffleupagus. They do exist. So that's the beauty of it. I mean, one thing we live about in Hydrobox is how we claim to be full circle. So, given our partners, we produce a sustainable product, we produce it sustainably, and it's recycled after. So by the time I finish this wonderful box of water, Rural Industrial Corp gets the product, breaks it down, and it's absolutely recycled, which is fantastic. So to get a better idea of everything we've been talking about recycling and our past videos, please go to YouTube, subscribe. It's Hydrobox H2O. All our videos are there, all the information is there. You guys have a good one, alright? Take care.
Hey everyone, it's Aldous and welcome to my unboxing video. Let's open. I'm here to discuss something that is very common nowadays, and I'm guilty of it. So I'm sure everyone has done some online shopping, and I'm here to point out that it's not really helping in terms of sustainability. So I'm here to unbox sustainable packaging that I am guilty of opening. So here are some, well, not some, but a lot So imagine I'm just one person and I have this whole box of plastic with me, and multiplied by the number of people purchasing online, that's the amount of plastic waste that we will be having to dump on landfills. And that's why on our end, for Hydrobox, we have an end-to-end solution in terms of our product. So this is our sustainable product, which is made primarily of paper. And what we want to do is have a sustainable ecosystem for product use. So we made arrangements to different recycling plants, and Hydrobox paper boards are actually converted into Hydrobox cartons are being converted into paper boards. So you can use it for construction, you can use it for building materials. So there's a lot of use for it, and I think it's about time that companies also think about what to do with these things, right? So it's not just about maximizing your revenue, but also we need to have a positive impact for the country and the world. So that's something to think about.